Hello, welcome to day 2 of week 2. Hola, bienvenidos a día número 2 de semana número 2. Today we're going to do a lot of review. Vamos a hacer un repaso de mucho que ya hemos aprendido about the letters and their sounds, sobre las letras y sus sonidos. We're going to read about the different places in school and vocabulary of objects in each of those rooms. Vamos a leer sobre la escuela y vocabulario de objetos adentro de unos cuartos. And then we're going to go ahead and write and talk about our school. Y después vamos a hablar y escribir sobre nuestra escuela. Let's get started. So first today, we're going to be talking about how to make things plural in English. Primero vamos a hablar de cómo poner cosas plural en inglés. So here you can see I have a pen, just one. And here I have lots of pens. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I have my word pen. Here's pens. What's different? Yes, this one has an S at the end because there's more than one. Si eso tiene, ¿qué es la diferencia? Que aquí tiene un S al final que indica que hay más de uno. There's more than one. Let's do another example before we do our worksheet. So here I have a picture. Here, what are these? Yes, apples. Let me write it. Apple. Here I have apple. Right here, because there's one. And here I have apples. What is different? Yes, this one has an S because I have more than one. Now let's do an activity sheet. So here on my side I have lots of vocabulary words. A pen is one. Pens, more than one. A cat. Un gato. Cats. Gatos. A bell. Bells. A hat. Hats. A bed. Beds. A dog. Dogs. A leg. Legs. A bug. Bugs. A bag. Bags. A nut. Nuts. Let's look at our pictures. Is this a pen or pens? Yes, pens. There's more than one. A bed or beds? A bed. There's only one. Would this be a bell or bells? Yes, bells. Is this a bag or bags? Yes, bags. Now you. A dog or dogs? Yes, dogs. Is this a cat or cats? Yes, cats. This is a nut or nuts? Nuts. A bug or bugs? Bugs. Very good job. Now we're going to review a lot of these letters that we've been working on in the middle of our words, our vowels. So, this is our chart for foundations. Some of you may know this. Now, our vowels in English can make lots of different sounds. Las vocales en inglés pueden hacer muchos sonidos diferentes. But this week we're focusing on the short sounds. So I can say the letter A, like in the word apple, and it makes the ah sound. So I can say A, apple, A. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, We're going to see all of these letters in our words. We're going to practice those sounds. Please repeat after me again. Remember, we do it for the name of the letter and the sound. Por repetir, el nombre de la letra y el sonido. A, I, E, I, O, U, Great job. Now let's do our review. So we have their names of different people. Here's Nan, Tab, Bob, Tim, Gus, Bev. Recuerden, eso es como se llaman las personas y los animales. All right, now let's look at some other pictures, other words we have here. Here's my U, up. My I, sits. U, Gus. E, red, como rojo. O, rock. A, like Nan. Here. The sun is up. Bob, Bev, and jog. Gus. Bob, Bev, and Gus jog. Here in my picture. Has a bag. Here's my bag. Nan has a bag. Nan's bag is what color? Yes, red. Tab hops on a rock. Tim, on a mat. Yes, Tim sits on a mat. Great job. Now I want you to go back through, try to read the words, thinking about the name of the letter, the sound it makes. Great. So for day 2, we just finished our phonics. That was hard work today. Great job. Now we're going to read our book, School. School. Classroom. A classroom is a busy place. It is where kids learn and work. What is your classroom like? Here are some words that you can see in a classroom. Pencil, chalkboard, desk, chair, teacher. Now let's go to the library. The library is amazing. It is a place for exploring. You can learn so much there. Bookshelf, monitor, keyboard. We usually just say computer or your tablets too. Books, Your librarian. Cafeteria. Kids eat in the cafeteria. They talk about school during lunch. What is your favorite school food? Yeah, what is your favorite school food? Is it the quesadilla? Is it the pizza or the chicken? All right, here's some other words. Tray, milk, fork, knife, and spoon. The art room with Miss Daly. The art room is a fun place. Kids can make lots of things. What do you like to do there? Easel, painting, paint, brush, and paper. Great job learning about school. Now let's do some activities with it. This is a picture of someone's school. It says, "Here is my school. Here is the playground." Draw your school here. You can draw a picture of the outside of the school where you play, what the school looks like, or you can draw the inside, like your classroom. Pueden dibujar el edificio, donde juegan afuera, o un cuarto. Now, let's write about it and say it out loud. My school is. So I would write, my school is Tubman. Now it says, my school has, como mi escuela tiene. What could we put here? Remember, use your book. Ooh, the cafeteria. We could say, my school has a cafeteria. We only have one, so I have cafeteria. Let's do something different. The classroom. My school has a classroom. Good job. Now, this is the hard part. Do we have one classroom or more than one classroom? Yes, more than one. So let's change it. Classrooms. My school has classrooms. Mi escuela tiene salones. Very good. And you can write that here. Now we're going to do more. We're talking about places in the school. We just talked about the cafeteria. Remember, there's the library. In our book, we saw the art room. This has the office and the bathroom. Let's do another room. Oh, let's do our classroom again. Write about your school. We said, my school has classrooms. There are, what do we have in our classrooms? Let's use the vocabulary from our book. Yes, our classrooms have desks and chairs and a teacher. My school has classrooms. There are desks, chairs, and teachers. Yours might be different. This is just an example. Think about what you remember about school, and you can put it on your work. I'm very proud of you. I wish that we were all in school together, but I'll see you guys soon. All right. Bye.